Hi everyone, this is Ella and welcome to my channel. If this is not the first time you're watching my video, then welcome back. Hug. Today, I just want to simply do a unboxing video of the Fujifilm Instax printer, is what it's called. It's the Fujifilm Instax Share SP-2 smartphone printer. I got it in the gold color. Well, actually, I was debating between the two, but then I ended up getting the gold one. So, I just got this printer in the mail from Amazon, and I just opened a box because I wanted to make sure what it is inside. But I haven't opened this yet, so I'm gonna open this with you guys right now. Alright, so here's the box. And this, can you see? By the way, I got the SP-2 in gold and I got it off, well, I said it before, Amazon, and I didn't buy a new one. So here's the camera on Amazon. I got the base one and in gold. It has two colors, so if you click on it, you can get a gold one or a silver one, but I ended up getting the gold one. It's $146.98 right now on Amazon if you buy a new one, but I didn't get the new one. Instead, I went for buy used. Here you can see it is slightly cheaper than the new one. Basically, with things like, of course, not water bottle or like I don't know, like things that you actually like touch your mouth, or I don't know, people are different. Maybe you are fine with those, but I just feel like if it's like a water bottle or like a bowl or just some like, you know, like personal stuff, I don't want it to be used. I want it new. But for like a printer like this, I feel like sometimes there are some really good quality used one out there. Some really good condition ones, used ones out there you can find. For example, Amazon, if someone buys something and return it, although there's nothing wrong with the product, because it's an open box already, they can't sell it as new anymore, so they sell it as used most of the time. Of course, if some have some problem and they fix it, then that goes to the refurbish. But yeah, here you can see this buy used one. If you just click add to cart, then you are basically selecting whatever pops up first. But you can also go down and see that here it shows used and new 36 from 123.48. So if you click in here, then you can see all new and used. If you go to used, then you will find here all these used ones that Amazon has, and then you can even click in first. For example, now I just clicked into the first one and it shows that the condition, minor cosmetic imperfection on front of the camera body. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged. Anyways, well, sometimes it even have pictures of it. So if you go into the 3 photos of the offer available, it actually has 3 photos of the products. So you can just basically get a used one. It's just a little pocket printer. So I don't think there's a big problem with the new one and used one. Especially if it's like in super very good condition, then it's probably just a return that people decided they didn't like it. That way you can save like 20 bucks on this printer. Okay, so let's see what I got. So here it is. I tried to film it somewhere else so it gives you guys a clear look, but yeah, with my belly I just can't. So I'm just gonna show you guys the unboxing part on my leg.
So this is the box. It comes in this is the original packaging. Comes in this little pouch, so it's protected. And then here is the printer.
I don't see any scratches or damages on the printer. However, it does have some dust on, which you don't usually get these when it's brand new. But It doesn't matter. The second I put it in my purse, it's gonna be dirty anyways.
So, it also comes with this charging cable and, oops, a piece of battery.
Okay, let me open this. Ooh, there's a battery slot. I'm gonna put a battery in. Is it this way? Okay, I feel like the orange should be this way because it has like an orange here. Alright. Okay, here's the film. Oh, how do I open this? With one hand.
So let's open this. Okay, how should I put it in? Yeah, the yellow dot and yellow dot. Woohoo!
Oh, you hear that? Good. So it has this on and off button here and a reprint here. Basically, that's all the button you find on here. So I guess I need to download this application called Instax Share. Alright, so let's turn this on. Liu. Oh no, it doesn't have battery. Okay, let me charge it real quick. Alright, it's charging now. Alright, now that it has battery, I'm just gonna turn it on. And there's nothing here that shows that I have to click a button and then have the Wi-Fi connected. So I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm just gonna set it up on my phone and see.
Go to settings. And I don't know if it's Wi-Fi connected or Bluetooth connected. Let's click in Wi-Fi. Ooh, it has this Instax. See this? I think this is the one. I'm gonna click it. Does it work? Does it? Oh, it's connected now. Alright then, let's go to the app. And I'm gonna print this. Wait, it has template. It's a template. Let's see. We can do photo split. What is this? Oh no, I don't like it. Simple. Okay. I can do like title and stuff. But seasonal? Oh, I don't like these. Just want a simple picture. Simple. Standard. Good. Just click in it. Can I adjust the placement? No, I can't. Huh. Turn the printer on. The printer is on. So, edit. Okay, I can do filters. See? Okay, I don't want filters. Oh shoot, what happened? Ah, okay. No filters. I like the picture. Just the way it is. Edit the picture. Okay, now I can. What happened? Okay, so I can edit the picture. Rotate. So can I do it here? No. Okay. So alright. Can't do anything about it. Rotate. Okay, I don't want to rotate. Zero is good. I kind of want to zoom out more on the picture. How do I do that? Can I manually click in? Gosh, I can't. So it is what it is. Oh, wait. I can move it. Wait, can you see my belly? Yeah, the belly's still in the frame. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, it has custom filters. Okay, basically it's just brightness, contrast. But this is already a readily edited picture, so I'm not going to touch it. And click OK, connect and print. And click this. The following printer was found. Do you want to connect to this printer? Yes, connect. Enter the password for connecting to the printer. The initial password is 1111. Okay. So it's telling you to put a password. And it's like literally telling you the password. Oh! Look at this. It's printing out. Dun 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 dun. You can see the printing is complete.
Okay, see, it's slowly showing up. We just need a couple minutes. Alright, while we're waiting for that, I'm gonna try
different functions and like effects that I can do here. Let's select this one and edit it. And see what I can do with, okay, I don't want to edit a picture. You know? Okay, let's do template. We can do a template. Okay, text. It's just basically different color background, and then with text on. I don't know. Doesn't look good. Okay. I really don't like this. Text. Oh, then it kind of like pushes your photo up. I need to find a square photo then. Let's find a square photo for this. This one. Let's click this one. And then edit it. I am going to rotate this 90 degree. Go up. Okay, whatever. Okay. Then I'm going to go to template and do like a little text. Why does it? Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put emoji and see if it works. Heart. Alright, I can't arrange the text though, right? I can't make it like in the middle. Center. No, I can't do center. What about this? Yellow? Oh, I did yellow. Text, green. I'm just gonna stick with white and see what will happen. Okay. And then I'm going to change this back, so I'm going to edit the picture and do like a rotation. 90 degrees, yes I got it. Oh, okay, so let me know. Oh, I see. Now it's a square picture with some text at the bottom. I don't know if I'm going to like it. But yeah, let's print and see.
Okay, so here are the results. I printed 4 of these. 3 are just the simple regular ones, and this one I kind of tried out the adding text a little bit, and I found out that the exposure when you print out these pictures are way higher when they're like printed on this film compared to the picture itself, because these pictures are pretty bright. So when they're printed on the film, it's already kind of, the dark spots on here are kind of already disappeared. You can't even see them anymore. Let me zoom in a little bit. See? So compared to the original one, which I'm gonna put my phone on, see this one? You can still see my face, my head, but you can barely see my belly and the rest. Maybe a little blanket here. But the original picture looks like this. Okay, this time I'm going to adjust the exposure a little bit in the Instax app to see if the result will be better. I'm gonna print this picture again.
Here's the picture. Here. There we go. Template, I'm just gonna use the standard. And okay, I'm gonna edit the picture. Let's do custom filters. I will turn down the brightness and turn up the contrast. Or should I turn it down? Maybe turn up. Okay, the saturation, definitely. Okay, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna keep it at 0. Contrast is 0. The brightness, I can just turn down. Let's see how it will turn out.
Alright, the end result is here. As you can see, this one is the first one that I printed with the just original. I didn't touch anything of this picture, and it comes out like this. You can see it's kind of faded, especially the bright part, but when I turn down the brightness here in this second print, it actually get closer to how my picture looks, and also they're definitely showing more. It's still kind of faded, but see, the pocket shows here and the pocket didn't show here, and also the rest of the features too. This one just show more clear than this one, so I definitely suggest turn down the brightness before you print it out.
Alright, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I don't have a set upload schedule right now because I'm expecting this baby anytime soon. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!